A very good morning to all. Today I'm going to talk about sentiment analysis. This is a widely popular technique which is used by marketeers to determine the tones made in customer statements, made in interviews. So you can judge whether the tone of a particular statement is positive, negative, or neutral. There are variety of usages of sentiment analysis in various sectors, including businesses. So, in businesses, you can actually use this technique to analyze product reviews, customer reviews, which are made across various websites, various social media platforms. You can also use this technique in politics to find out about the image. In general, what sentiments are there about a particular politician. You can use this technique in finance also. So, how can we use this technique in fashion businesses in particular? We can actually read and go through the customer reviews using sentiments analysis. We can find out whether we have positive sentiment about a particular product or negative sentiment about a particular product, and we can make improvisations based on the same. And doing this analysis is extremely easy. We can simply install a plugin in Excel and conduct this analysis. So for showcasing the same, I'm going to share my screen with you and actually show you how it's done. So very, very simple. We are going to do a sentiment analysis on Excel. So my screen, I hope, is visible to you. I am opening my Excel. So in my Excel, I have, I'll go on the file option. Once you click on the file option, on the left pane, you will find at the bottom options. So here it is. If you can see my cursor, options. So click on options. A tab is going to open, and in the tab, on the left side, you would find the option of add-ins. So click on these add-ins and try to find out an add-in called Sentiment Analysis for Excel. This is by Boardflare, and you can install this plugin. And once you are through, you will find this plugin on your Excel. So today's example is based on Amazon customer reviews. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take you through the customer reviews of OnePlus. So what I did was I tried to gauge some of the reviews from Amazon regarding OnePlus 13. So here are some reviews. This is better than Galaxy and iPhone with super camera quality and crazy fast charging capabilities. The phone is best in all categories. It's stunning. I'm loving the display. This also has a premium feeling, beautiful white one. So now these are all the statements that I snagged from Amazon, and now I'm going to do the sentiment analysis. So once I click on this particular tab, which is available on my home screen, I'll be able to see this pane on the right side, which is sentiment analysis for Excel. Now it's very, very simple. Just click on all the cells in which reviews have been pasted. And here you will go on the right side and click on analyze. Okay, so once you click on analyze, a new tab is going to open. You can see the progress of your sentiment analysis happening here. Okay, so we have the analysis ready to go. So as you can see, there are three columns, which you can see, three cells, and we have 15 reviews. This is from the input that we had, I think 14 actually in total. These are all the first column. It consists of all the original statements that you inserted as input. So customers find this smartphone to be better than Galaxy. The phone is best in all categories. All of these statements that were originally inserted as inputs for sentiment analysis. These are the reviews that have been snagged from Amazon. Okay, so the next column is label. This is the label of the sentiment, whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. Here you can see a positive sentiment. The phone is best in all categories, a positive sentiment. Okay. Then there's a negative sentiment also stored regarding the storage capacity. So this is how you can assess. Usually there'll be three results, either positive, negative, or neutral. And you can actually make an assessment about whether or not the consumers like your product. And there is a third column, which is of the score. So this score is nothing but the confidence level. So the confidence with which we can say the prediction that has been made regarding the sentiment in a particular statement is positive, negative, or neutral. So basically, this is a predictor of the correctness of the sentiment analysis. Okay, so the confidence with which we can say that the prediction has been done correctly. So higher the score, better the prediction. Here we can see that with 99% confidence, we can say that the statement in row 2, column 1 is positive. With 99.9% confidence, we can say that. So here in this particular case, I think all the statements that have been all the predictions that have been made have a really high confidence level. Except for this one, this is also pretty decent, 89% confidence level. But it's the higher the scores, better the analysis. So this is all about sentiment analysis. Hope you use it in your research. It's extremely easy and it has a wide range of uses. Thank you so much for being with me. Please come back for the next video.